The Today Show co-anchor, Hoda Kotb, is preparing for her life after her public career. Notably, there are many things she will miss about her job, but she is looking forward to the future. However, in the final few weeks, she can't help but step on a few toes. She takes the opportunity to trigger her coworkers ahead of the holidays, especially Savannah Guthrie. Hoda Kotb won't walk on eggshells. Undeniably, the Today Show co-anchor, Hoda Kotb, made a life-changing decision to leave her position at the pinnacle of her career. At the age of 60, Hoda isn't treading lightly. She knows her exit is difficult, and she is allowing herself to feel and process all the emotions as they come. But even though she is in her final weeks, she isn't willing to walk on eggshells. Instead, she knows many of her coworkers are triggered by things she says right now. For instance, Jenna and Hoda tear up frequently as they go through the transition of Hoda's exit. But ahead of the holidays, Hoda couldn't help but have a little fun rubbing things in Savannah Guthrie's face. Undoubtedly, they love each other and know it is all in the spirit of fun. Hoda Kotb triggers Savannah Guthrie ahead of holidays. While Hoda Kotb made Savannah Guthrie bawl her eyelashes off after she announced her exit, now she is pressing her luck a bit. Ahead of two very big holidays, Hoda began sharing her Christmas cheer. Although Hoda is merry and bright for the season, Savannah is feeling a bit grinchy with the stress that comes with the busy time. Without a doubt, holidays can be packed with fun, but also exist with overwhelm, millions of decisions and deadlines, and not everyone is afforded the same privileges. Some are mourning losses or enduring pain, but there's still something very magical about this time of year. At that time, there was still 1 week left to tie up the ribbons and bows to be ready for the festive season. When speaking about shipping delays, Hoda turned to Savannah. Hoda Kotb said, "I call this a public service announcement. You call it a trigger warning. We do begin with our daily holiday countdown." In Hoda's peppy anticipation, she added, "Don't adjust your screen. The number's right. Christmas and Hanukkah are 1 week away. That's just 7 short days." Even though Savannah understands, 'tis the season, she is dreading the work that still isn't done. Matching PJs, holiday cards, shopping, wrapping, and financial decisions, to name a few, can make this season a bit of a blur. She says, "Ugh, so much to do." Hoda can't help herself. Then, later in the show, Hoda Kotb was joined by several of her Today Show coworkers. Among them were her future successor, Craig Melvin, Savannah Guthrie, and Al Roker. Much like Hoda's preparations for life after the show, she is ready for the Christmas and Hanukkah festivities. Unmistakably, Hoda knows not everyone is as prepared. She offers another reminder to viewers that shipping isn't always reliable. But Savannah's body language showed she was uncomfortable as she shifted in her seat. Al nods in acknowledgement, but Craig shares Savannah's sentiment by shaking his head. Notably, Hoda loves making them squirm a little as she continues to jab at the idea they need to get it together. But Savannah exclaims, "Stop saying that." Then, Hoda innocently quips, "I can't help it." Begrudgingly, Savannah knows it is the truth and replies, "I know." Embracing the final chapter. Seemingly, the Today Show co-anchor, Hoda Kotb, is staying present as she recognizes this is her final year to have the Christmas experience in her current position. Since her last show is on the books for January 10th, they are zooming toward the finish line. But Hoda wants to inspire others to enjoy the holidays. Undeniably, it is bittersweet for her, but she is counting her Christmas and Hanukkah blessings while she is with her Today family. Although she gets a little joy out of seeing her coworkers cringe, she mostly wants to help everyone embrace the holiday season amid the hustle and bustle that comes with it. Even if all the loose ends don't tie up, it is a beautiful time to appreciate the people she is with. She wants people to remember the simple pleasures in life, even if it doesn't all come together.